Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's see how an employee can request for leave in Horilla. So here I have logged in as an employee Sophia Howard. So this is her portal, employee portal, and from her portal she'll be able to request for leave. So for that, let's navigate to the leave module, and under the leave module we have the my leave requests. So the My Leave Request view lets employees access details about their assigned leave types, including available days, carry forward leave days, total leaves taken, etc. So by clicking on a leave type, employees can request leave by providing the necessary details. And they can also see a list of their submitted leave requests and allowing updates and deletions before the approval or cancellation. So to create a new leave request, the employee can either click on the create button over here and add in all the details and create a leave request, or else she can click on the leave type over here. And when we click on the leave type, we can see that the leave type has been auto populated. And so let's say she needs a sick leave on Monday. So Monday 23rd. So let's create a leave request. So we have the leave type over here, sick leave, and let's add a start date, that is 23rd Monday. And on 23rd, she needs a full day. So we have given full day, and the end date is also 23rd. And the end date breakdown is also full day. And we have to, for sick leave, we have to add an attachment. So let's browse. And here I have given the medical certificate, and we have to give a description also. So I have added a description, and now let's save this request. So we can see that the leave request has been created, and she'll be able to view the leave request that she has created over here. And she can view the details from here itself, and then she can see the status. And when the manager or the HR approves her leave request, she'll be able to view the status over here, approved. Or else, if it is rejected, she can view the status from here itself. And we also, if she wants to edit or update any information that she has provided during while creating the leave request, and if she needs to change it, she can just click on edit, and she'll be able to add in update the information from here. That is before the leave request has been cancelled or approved. We can edit the details from here, and she can also delete the leave request that she has created from here. So this is how a leave request can be created by an employee. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.